Okay, I'm going to show you a real meteorite from Wakanda. Okay, it's not actually made of vibranium, and it's from Wakanda, Kansas. It's still cool. Let's look. The Wakanda, Kansas meteorite was found in 1873, and while it doesn't actually contain vibranium, it's still a pretty neat thing to find. It is classified as an L6 chondrite meteorite. We're talking about ordinary chondrites, which are the most common type of meteorites that fall to Earth, even though they're still not that entirely common. The L in L6 means that this meteorite has a relatively low amount of metal in it compared to some other types of meteorites. The 6 indicates that this meteorite has gone through some sort of metamorphism where it was heated quite a bit, and all of the original chondrules that were there, the little spherical things that you might see in type 3, 4, and 5 chondrites, well, those were kind of equilibrated into some sort of crystalline matrix, which explains why the interior looks the way it does here. This was a product of heat. My little sample of the Wakanda meteorite is only about 2 grams, but it is quite the contrast. You see it has the dark fusion crust on the outside from when it burned up here in our atmosphere, and then you see that white interior equilibrated matrix that is a little bit lighter in color. Now, for this meteorite, the total mass of it was somewhere around 120 pounds, but it of course broke up, perhaps in the atmosphere, perhaps upon impact. The largest remaining main mass of it that's in one piece is around 57 pounds. So either way, whether it fragmented before or after it hit the ground, it probably left quite a little bit of a crater along with it. Hey, if you like learning about meteorites and space, make sure to follow along. I've got a lot more meteorites from my collection and others to share with you as we continue learning about these cosmic visitors together. And if you want to own your own meteorite, check out my website or my link on the TikTok shop. It's quite a bit more accessible than you think. This makes me want to go watch Black Panther. Well,
Wakanda forever!